Hello everyone and welcome back to Tuscany. I am Danilo Romolini and today we are about to visit together a truly magical property. Are you ready to see it? Come with me. Hidden in the Tuscan mountains, just about 35-minute drive north of Lucca and also close to the Versilia coast. This historical monastery is immersed in one of the most authentic Tuscan regions. We are in a small hidden village surrounded by forests, river and mountains. A place with an incredible energy and an almost mystical atmosphere. Below the property flows the beautiful Turrita River, and throughout the monastery you constantly hear the calming sound of the water moving through the valley. This monastery was founded in the early 1200s and became one of the earliest Augustinian monasteries in Tuscany. Inspired by the legendary story of San Galgano, the knight who abandoned wealth and power in pursuit of a simpler life immersed in nature. Today, after a careful restoration, the monastery has been transformed into a beautiful private residence that maintains and preserves the historic soul while integrating a contemporary atmosphere. The current owners live here privately while also hosting hospitality retreats and creative gatherings. Within the property, they have created a laboratory dedicated to glassmaking, with works commissioned for churches and buildings around the world. At the center of the monastery lies the magnificent 13th century chapel, which nowadays is mostly used for gatherings, events, and wellness retreats. Every detail throughout the property reflects extraordinary craftsmanship, from the original stone walls and oak floors to the artisan chestnut wood ceilings and handcrafted ironwork created using traditional local techniques. The property offers 9 bedrooms and 12 bathrooms, including 2 independent guest houses, creating flexibility and privacy for both owners and guests. Designed both for private living and entertaining, the property also features a professional kitchen, including as well original features like the stone arches and working fireplace. On the upper part of the property, we find the first and larger guest house, featuring a kitchen and living area on the upper floor and bedroom with ensuite bathroom on the lower level. Nestled within the garden is a spectacular infinity edge swimming pool, surrounded by this local stone sunbathing area and perfectly integrated with the surrounding nature. Next to the pool, we find a panoramic terrace, surrounded by flowers, rosemary and aromatic plants, and completed by an original pizza oven, an ideal spot to gather with the loved ones. The land surrounding the property is of approximately 10 hectares, stretching all the way down to the Turrita River and granting a great sense of privacy, panoramic views, and extraordinary atmosphere. More than an historical property, this is a timeless sanctuary in Tuscany. It is ideal either as a quiet private retreat or as a boutique hospitality project. I hope you enjoyed it just as much as I did. Please remember to leave a comment below for any questions, and remember to subscribe to the Romolini channel for the best homes of Italy every week. Until next time, ciao!